We're in the kitchen with Chef Mark Anthony, and something is smelling wonderful right now. Mark, what are you up to?
Waffles! It's a waffle day!
It's waffles!
Yes, and I made it easy. I made it easy for people to do waffles, and anybody can enjoy these because they're also gluten-free.
Serious?
Yes. I actually make them with oats.
So what else goes in them? Well,
here's the recipe right here. We've actually got 6 cups of soy milk and 6 cups of oats, and you can use the regular oats or the quick oats. We've got a 1/4 cup of ground flaxseed, a 1/4 cup of honey, a tablespoon of vanilla, a tablespoon of salt, and a tablespoon of cinnamon. Equal parts of oats and liquid. You mix them together and you can flavor it any way you want.
So you could take 3 cups and 3 cups, or
6 cups and 6 cups.
Yep, right.
And as long as the liquid equals the actual oats, you're going to have it. Here's the other nice part about it. Let me check and see if this one's done yet. Oh, it's got about half a minute.
Smelling so good.
Because you could actually take equal parts of oats and orange juice or pineapple juice, or you can make, there's just hundreds and hundreds of different variations. Okay, we're good. Let me share this with you. Grab that plate over there, and we're gonna see if I can get this out of here. This one's been going for a few minutes here already, and whoo, there you go.
He's got
just
chef's
like
hands. Did you see that?
Yeah, don't try this at home.
Yeah.
I'm gonna give this a little spray. I didn't spray it on the last one. But let me share with you what we're gonna do here, because this is see how thick it is?
Yep.
And that's about the thickness you're looking for. And if you let it set a little while, sometimes it'll thicken up even more. Then you just add a little more liquid to it. And then you're just going to pour this in here.
Sort of wait until, if you've got a vortex, you're about right. If it's a vortex that goes all the way to the blade, it's a bit thin, right?
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Yep. And so you can see how I kind of just barely get to the outside there. Do this, give it a flip. I like these type of waffle irons because it really gets those deep pockets.
So your batter pours into your grooves.
Yeah. But you can decorate it any way you want. I've got a whole bunch of ingredients there for you to decorate.
Ooh. Are we going to go whipped cream and chocolate chip, or are we going to go berries? Berries for our eyes, right?
Go ahead, you can do it.
And then you can use oats that are gluten-free, or oats don't contain gluten, but they can be often contaminated. So
it all depends. The processing factories sometimes will work the same type of thing in wheat. What we will do is freeze these.
Okay.
But what you have to do is you have to freeze them individually. And I'll take a sheet pan and then just freeze individual quick freeze, IQF. And then after they're frozen, then you can bag them together like this, and see how they're still separated? Because if you take them like this and then just take them right in a baggie, which a lot of people do that, and they just kind of melt together, and then you have a lot of difficulty trying to pull them apart. So you just freeze them first, individual quick freeze, and then you can pull these out and cut them, put them right in the toaster, and in
That's what
minutes.
I love about this. When I have gluten-free patients and they go, oh, I miss my bread. And I say, you don't need to miss your bread, you can make waffles.
Yeah, and this one is even out of oats, so.
I've got to try this. I've got to try this. Are you indulging? No.
I'm all for it.
Oh. You can have the chocolate chip and whipped cream.
Like I said, the flavor.
That is so crunchy and yummy.
My wife made the topping. That's.
Looks so good. I just love that.
But as far as the waffles go, the flavor is where it's at. So if you want to go with, this is more of the traditional, vanilla and cinnamon. You can also do peanut butter and different. I mean, you can really get crazy with variations just once you know the equal parts.
You can put peanut butter in your waffles?
Yes. I mean, there's so many things you could do.
Who would know?
Yeah.
Well, thanks, Mark. That's
there we go.
Great breakfast.
Easy.